Hi children, now we are going to see math subject for standard 5. Okay, in this the unit 1 is geometry. The first unit 1 is geometry. Children, geometry I think you have learned in previous class, that is in 4th itself you have learned. Come, let us see what they are given for 5th standard. So, able to get the feel of two-dimensional perspective while observing drawing of three-dimensional object. So, in geometry, now we are going to see two-dimensional and three-dimensional object. This you have learned in previous class, that is in 4th itself you know what it is, two-dimensional and three-dimensional object. Okay, so if you are taking three-dimensional object, for example this is three-dimensional object, means if you are taking this means you will get this two-dimensional object. So this is three-dimensional. If you are taking and you are tracing it in white paper, means you will get 2D shape. Okay, so நீங்கள் முதல்ல வந்து படிச்சிருப்பீங்க டூ டைமென்ஷனல் த்ரீ டைமென்ஷனல். ஓகே, ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா த்ரீ டைமென்ஷனல் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எடுத்து நீங்கள் பேப்பரில் ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா யூ வில் கெட் டூ டைமென்ஷனல் 2D ஷேப்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். சரிங்களா, வாங்க நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம் என்னன்ட்டு. So we can identify 2D and 3D object in our day-to-day life. So உங்கள் சுற்றி, that is உங்கள் சுற்றியும் நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க 2Dயும் and 3D shapes. Okay, so this and all 3D shapes. Okay, recall 2D shapes. Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is a 2D shape. So any shape if you are taking, otherwise it is on a flat surface means it is a 2D shape. For example, see I am showing rectangle. What is this? This is one chord. Okay, white color chord. So it is a rectangle shape. What shape it is? See here, it is a rectangle shape. So this is 2D shape. Okay, see here they are given example of 2D shapes. Slate, then CD, direction board and chessboard. So all these are example of 2D shapes. Okay, so now we are going to see 3D shapes. This is for 5th standard. So now we are going to see 3D shapes in detail. Okay, so 3D shapes are solid objects that have 3 dimensions. These dimensions are length, width and height. Okay, so 3D shapes na it will have 3 dimension. 3D shapes ku 3 dimension irukum. So 2D shapes ku edume irukadu, sirf only length and breadth mattum da irukum. Okay, so these dimensions are length, width and height. Okay, so example of 2D shapes, and that is example of 3D shapes. This is cube. If it is in rectangle shape means cuboid, cone, cylinder, circle, that is sphere, cube. So these and all examples of 3D shapes. So draw 3D shapes from 2D shapes. Okay, so using 2D shapes you are going to draw 3D shapes. See here, first you have to draw square. So then you have to join this you have to join. At the top you have to come this, you have to join this. So if you are, for example, you have to take one cardboard or otherwise take one A4 sheet, cut like this. Okay, and you have to join, you will get cube. Okay, you will get cube. If it is in square shape, if it is in square shape means it will be cube. See here, cube. Okay, so what shape it is? It is a square shape. So everywhere, so for cube all the sides are square, all the sides are equal. So if you are looking at turn, நீங்கள் டேர்ன் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எவ்ரி சைடு வந்து ஸ்கொயராக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ கியூப் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் அண்ட் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு பாக்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோங்க, டேக் ஒன் பாக்ஸ். So it is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. All sides are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. This is the properties and characteristics of cube. Children, they are given example. So they are shown one box. So it is a cube. So if it in square shape means cube. So in this vertex is this edge and vertices is this edge. Okay, from this edge to this edge, in the corner la irundhu paakuradhu vertices, edges vandu in the edges 1 2 3. So this and all edges. Faces means this top, idu the faces 1 2 3. So this and all faces. Okay, come see the characteristics, properties and characteristics. It is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 faces. All sides are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, so wait, I am showing one example of cube. So it is a cube because I am taking square shape box. So this is cube. So it is a 3D shape. 3D shape means it should have, idukku vandu length irukum, width irukum, then height irukum. So length means this is length, height means this is height, width means ulla irukkiradhu. Okay, so ulla irukra space evlo irukku solromla, that is width. Okay, so it is a 3D shapes. It has 6 faces. 1 2 3 4, then 5 6. So 6 faces. All sides are equal because it is a square shape. No, for square all sides are equal. So for cube also all sides are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. First let us see 12 edges. Okay, edges means this is edge, this is edge. 1 2 3 4, like that. Turn 1 2 3 4. So 8. Next 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4, then turn 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this is 12 edges and vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, so this is the properties and characteristics for cube. So do you have any doubt? Yes, very good. Now cuboid example. Okay, cuboid. So now we are going to see cuboid properties and characteristics. So it is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. Its opposite sides are equal. So it has 8 vertices and 12 edges. So students, the properties and characteristics for cube and cuboid both are same. Okay, ரெண்டுமே சேமாக தான் இருக்கும். பட் ஒரே ஒரு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தான். ஏன்னா கியூபுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கிறனால ஆல் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். கியூபாய்டுக்கு ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஷேப்பில் இருந்தால் அது கியூபாய்டு. ஸோ ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். இந்த ஒரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் மட்டும்தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், மற்ற எல்லாமே சேம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஸ்கொயர் இருந்தால் இட் இஸ் எ கியூப். ஸோ ஆல் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஷேப்பில் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது கியூபாய்டு. ஸோ ஃபார் ரெக்டாங்கிளுக்கு நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ஸோ everything are same, this only one point will be differ. Okay, so I am showing an example for cuboid. See here, this is cuboid. I am taking cuboid box. Okay, cuboid na ஏன் நான் இது cuboid ன்னு சொல்கிறேன்? because it is a rectangle shape. rectangle தானே இருக்குது. இங்கே பாருங்கள், ரெக்டாங்கிள் இருக்குது. இது பாருங்கள், திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கிறனால திஸ் இஸ் க்யூப். இது ரெக்டாங்கிள் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கிறனால திஸ் இஸ் cuboid. ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் a 3D shape. ஓகே, ஸோ பிகாஸ் இட் ஹேஸ் length, width and height. Okay, so length, width and height. So it is a 3D shape. Okay, then it has 6 faces. How many faces? 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many faces? 6 faces. Then for a cuboid, it is a rectangle shape nala opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal, and this side and this side equal. So opposite sides are equal because it is a rectangle shape. Then it has 8 vertices. Okay, and 12 edges. So 12 edges means 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. Okay, then 8 vertices. 8 vertices means 1, 2, 3, 4, same wise 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 vertices. Okay, so for the characteristics and properties for cube and cuboid, both are same. Only one point is changes. All sides are equal, opposite sides are equal. Okay, do you have any doubt? Okay, so students, I have taught in geometry cube and cuboid. Okay, if you have any doubt, please make a comment. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.